Hi, I'm Brenda Petru. I'm an essential oil educator.
And I'm Camille Pack, a Term Healthy Mama certified coach. We are sisters who fell in love with essential oils and the Term Healthy Mama lifestyle. We want you to join us for Sassy Habits.
And we're talking about the sassy that's classy, that's fun, and that empowers you to take control of your health and your well being. I lost 40 pounds last year following the principles of this program.
In this 10-week program, you'll learn how to separate fuels for maximum energy, stabilize your blood sugar eating real food and desserts, and harness those negative thoughts when they creep in.
You'll also learn how to use essential oils instead of food to support you through those emotional states that come up when you're losing weight. How to heal and love your body right where it is and help it to get where it wants to go, and make lots of friends and have fun.
Register through the link now.
Let's get your sassy on.